Search engine optimization. Using these SEO strategies, we recently increased traffic for a client from 100 visitors per month to over 130,000 organic visitors per month. First, you'll want to start with writing keyword-targeted content on your website. Next, you'll want to obtain backlinks to your website. These are hyperlinks to your website referred to by another higher authority website, such as Forbes.com. Third, you'll want to optimize your website's technical SEO, mobile friendliness, and website speed, specifically installing a caching plugin. Search engine optimization alone can get your website ranking number 1 for relevant Google search results, your main target keywords. SEO results in higher organic traffic, i.e., website traffic coming from users who found your website ranking high in search results for your target keywords. SEO is a long-term marketing strategy for increasing your website's organic traffic, while Google ads are an instant ROI by paying to appear at the top of search results. For example, the website WordStream is paying Google ads to rank first for the Google search, how to rank number 1 in Google search. And WordStream also ranks number 1 for that keyword in organic search results, which is the result of extensive SEO work. So as you can see in this screenshot, Google ads are identified via that bolded sponsor phrase above the listing. So before you start creating keyword-targeted content on your website, you will need to find your target keywords via keyword research. So create a list of phrases your potential customers would search for in Google. For example, your service in local city, buy XYZ type of product, XYZ service in local zip code. Your goal is to find keywords with a high search volume and low keyword difficulty. We use the free keyword research tool offered by ahrefs.com at ahrefs.com/keyword-generator. For example, we want to rank high in Google search for the keyword contractor marketing. As you can see in the Ahrefs keyword generator tool, contractor marketing gets 700 Google searches per month under the volume column, and it has a keyword difficulty KD column of 9. So a pro tip here, any keyword over 100 search volume and under 30 KD keyword difficulty is a perfect keyword to create content for and rank for in Google search. So let's look at an example. In order to rank for a specific keyword phrase in Google search results, you need to create content based around that main keyword and similar supporting keywords. We created a blog post titled Best Contractor Marketing Services plus Top 8 Contractor Marketing Strategies. Keyword density. You want your main keyword to equal 1% of the total words in this content or article or blog post you create. For example, 10 uses every 1,000 words. So a great way to reach 1% in this created content is using similar keywords that include your main keyword. For example, contractor marketing strategies, contractor marketing services. So where do you include your main keyword in this article? First, in the URL. You want a short URL targeting just your main keyword. So adsmanage.co/contractor-marketing. Next, in the H1 or page title. So as you can see, top of our page, best contractor marketing services, our main keyword is in there. Next, in the first paragraph of your text, searching for the best contractor marketing services, we included it in the first sentence. Great. Next, in an H2 heading. Also, include your main target keyword in your page meta title and page meta description. These are edited via your website content manager, typically via a SEO plugin like Yoast or Rank Math. Next, you want to include at least one image on this targeted content page. We create all our custom images, videos, and ads using the free design software canva.com. So you'll want to save this image including your main keyword in the image file. And then once you upload it to your website content manager, make sure the alternative text and the title of that image include your main keyword. The next important step for SEO is content length. So first, in a new tab, search Google for your main target keyword for this content you're creating. For our example, how to rank #1 in Google search. And then click the #1 ranking organic traffic website in those search results. Don't click the sponsored Google ad if there is one. We want the #1 ranking organic traffic result. That is the result of a lot of SEO work. So for this example, we know it was WordStream. Now to review this #1 website, I'll want to install the free Google Chrome extension SEO Minion. Then while on this #1 ranking page, I'll click the SEO Minion Google Chrome extension option and select Analyze On-Page SEO, and I'll take note of the total words on this page. For example, 3,951 words. So I know if I want to rank #1 for Google search for this keyword, how to rank #1 on Google search, I'll have to write at least 4,000 words. And that's just one step. I'll need to technically optimize my whole website, optimize this article for the keyword, and get backlinks to this article to increase my domain authority. So it's not as simple as writing 4,000 words. That's just part of the formula of SEO. Next, in this same blog post, we're going to need an internal and external linking completed. So first, for external link, include at least one link to a high domain authority website. This is a popular, well-known, high-traffic website. For example, in this blog post, we link to our testimonials hosted on a popular review website, such as Yelp. So a pro tip, to find the traffic of any website, go to similarweb.com. Next, we want to include at least one internal link to another relevant page on our website. For example, adsmanage.co/book-call. Now, if you have other content on your website similar to contractor marketing, even better. Internal link to relevant keyword-based articles is an even better internal link. And I mentioned backlinks. These are those links to your website from other brands' websites. So to improve the domain authority of your website and rank higher in Google search results much faster, you'll need to acquire backlinks from these other relevant high domain authority websites. So how do you get backlinks? First, publish content so good other websites will want to share it. Content that attracts backlinks include statistical compilations for XYZ niche, ultimate guides, courses, and tutorials, or best XYZ service lists. And in these top 10 lists, include links to the brands you would want to share this post. Therefore, you would get a backlink from. Second, the much more direct, easier way to get backlinks is to buy backlinks from an online provider. There's a lot of sketchy, black hat, illegal SEO websites out there. So for our most updated backlink, white hat SEO vendor list, make sure to head over to this URL.